Woman pleads guilty to trying to smuggle 29 turtles across a Vermont lake into Canada by kayak. Associated Press. A woman from China pleaded guilty on Friday to attempting to smuggle 29 eastern box turtles, a prot. CTED species, across a Vermont lake into Canada by kayak. Wan Yiying, 41, was arrested on the morning of June 28 at an Airbnb in Canaan as she was about to get into an inflatable kayak with a duffel bag on Lake Wallace, according to a Border Patrol agency. FFI Davitt filed in federal court. Agents had been notified by Royal Canadian Mounted Police that 2 other people, including a man who was Below are your comments. We have a small creek on the property here in western Idaho. Every few years in June we'll notice a turtle laying eggs. This year she laid them right in the walkway. I placed a marker and let them be. Yesterday we decided to dig up the nest. 0.12 quarter-sized little guys. Like they didn't make enough species extinct in China? The Chinese will eat anything and pay anything. Especially if you tell them it will make Mr. Johnson hard. Who cares if the species goes extinct, right? Max sentence. Please judge for any Chinese foreign nationals caught doing illegal activities. They are not our friends. I like turtles. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.